all of you to here today, and I am your MC today. My name is Susan. 今天很开心可以看到大家一起聚集在这边，来庆祝今年最完美的一个结果。那今年呢，公司有非常多的成绩以外，也是迈入了第10年一个非常重要的里程碑。So what a better way to start the day is to by celebrating not only another incredible year, but also an extraordinary milestone. It is the 10th year of our Loom, and we are very happy to see all of you here today to celebrate this extraordinary with all of you.